Implicit derivative. We have a function 3x cubed plus 4xy minus y squared equals 6, and we are given y1 equals 1, meaning is x is 1 and y is 1. So we can consider this point. We need to find y prime 1. So we can just take the implicit derivative, which is based on chain rule. So we are taking derivative with respect to x. So then this one gives me 3 times 3x squared plus this one is a product rule. So first we take derivative of x, so we get 4y plus, now take derivative of y, so we get 4x y prime minus derivative of y squared with the chain rule will be 2y and then y prime, and the right side is 6, so derivative is 0. Now plug x equals 1 and y equals 1. So then here we get 9 plus 4 plus 4y prime minus 2y prime is 0. Now combine this will give me 2y prime, and then 4 plus 9 is 13. We move it to right side, is negative 13. So then our y prime is negative 13 over 2. We are done. This is basically y prime 1, same here. Example 2, we have now cosine of x squared y squared equals 3 minus x to the 3 plus y. We take derivative with respect to x. So we know derivative of cosine will give me negative sine, and then we need to take derivative of this, which is the product rule. So the first function derivative will give me 2x, and the second function we keep it plus. Now we keep the first one, derivative of y squared will be 2y then y prime. So I'm done in the left side. Right side, the derivative of 3 is a free constant, so 0 minus 3x squared plus y prime. Derivative of y is y prime. Now we need to isolate y prime and solve for it. So then let me distribute this sine, this one here. So we get negative 2xy squared sine x squared y squared minus 2x squared y prime sine x squared y squared equals negative 3x squared plus y prime. Now this term has y prime, we'll move it to right side. This one doesn't have y, so we move it to the left side. This one will go right, that one will come to left. So then this one is coming out as 3x squared minus 2xy squared sine x squared y squared equals y prime plus 2x squared y prime sine x squared y squared. Now we need to take our y prime as a common factor on the right side, and then we need to divide both sides by whatever we see, we get y prime. So you can see now when I take y prime factored from here, so I get 1 plus 2x squared y sine x squared y squared is here, and then 3x squared minus 2xy squared sine x squared y squared on that side. Now we need to divide by this factor both sides, and we get our result. So finally we get y prime is 3x squared minus 2xy squared sine x squared y squared divided by 1 plus 2x squared y sine x squared y squared, which is actually dy dx. Now we are given another function implicit form, 3 times x squared plus y squared is squared equals 25x squared minus 25y squared. We need to find the equation of tangent line at the given point 2, 1. So first let us find the derivative. So with the power rule, here we get 3 times 2 of x squared plus y squared to the 1, and the derivative inside will give me 2x plus 2y y prime. Then the right side is 50x minus 50y y prime. Now we need to find y prime when x is 2 and y equals 1. So this one gives me 6, and then x is 2, so this is 4 plus 1. This one will give me 4 plus 2y prime. The other side x is 2, so this gives me 100 minus 50y prime. Now I can just simplify the left side, so I get a 5 here. So then this gives me now 120 plus 60y prime equals 100 minus 50y prime. Now isolate, so 50y prime will move in this side, so 60 and this positive will make it 110y prime equals 100 minus 120. That gives me negative 20. So then further simplification gives me y prime is negative 20 over 110, which is negative 2 over 11. This is my slope. Now we'll write the equation of tangent line. So equation of the tangent line passing through the point 2, 1 will be y equals 1 plus the slope is negative 2 over 11 and then x minus 2. So further simplification will give me the form I'm writing. Gives me y equals negative 2 over 11x plus 15 over 11. We are done for number 3. Exercise number 4. We are given x to the 3 plus y to the 3, or you can say y to the 3 plus x to the 3 is 35. We are given a point, x is 2, y equals 3. We need to find second derivative when x is 2. So first we take the first derivative. So we get 3x squared plus 3y squared, y prime is 0. We can divide by 3. We get x squared plus y squared, y prime is 0. First let me put x equals 2 and y equals 3. So this one is giving me 4 plus 9, y prime is 0. So my y prime is negative 4 over 9. Now again, from these, I take the derivative because I need to find second derivative. So take the derivative again. The first one is giving you 2x plus, here you get derivative with the product rule. So the derivative of y squared will give me 2y y prime and another y prime I have there. And then plus, now I keep y squared, derivative of y prime will be y double prime, second derivative, and that equals 0. So in the derivative, now we replace x by 2 and y by 3. So that gives me here 4. This gives me 6. 3 times 2. Y prime is negative 4 over 9. Another negative 4 over 9. Plus y is 3. So this will give me 9. Y double prime equals 0. And then divide both sides by 9. So you get y double prime equals negative 140 over 243. And we are done.